Oh. On tape, no less.
Put that, huh?
Hey. Yeah, wait, I want to just...
All right, let's go.
Hi. What's your name? Can I bother you for a second? Hey, I know you see the camera running.
Hi, I'm Danielle.
Hi, Danielle. Nice to meet you. And you are? Back there?
Hey, I'm Taylor.
Taylor, nice to meet you. And you are?
Hi, Ricky.
Hi, Ricky. Nice to meet you. Actually, Ma, you here? Joanne, you here? I want to show you guys something. You guys ever experienced deja vu? Deja vu, yeah? Often? Often?
We're in Vegas. We haven't spent 3 days.
All right, well, look, you know what? I have to do this really quick, so why don't you guys stand right over here. I want you to act like the eyes for the viewing audience at home. I want you to you know, basically confirm that this is one continuous shot. What you see is what you get. I want you to, perfect, just stay like that. All right, I want you to keep your eyes on them. I want you just to relax. I want you to experience deja vu. And the way you're going to do that is I want you to think about the last time that that experience happened to you. I want you to just relive it in your mind right now. And I want you to believe it's going to happen to you again. I want you to really believe it's going to happen to you. Because it's going to happen. It's going to happen now! Holy shit.
Oh, my God.
How do you like that?
That's my son.